A secret victory strategy to hit the winning combinations 100% guaranteed. On this strategy, we will apply the skip strategy. This is to determine our key numbers and the number that has the highest skip. Based on this previous result, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 0, 1, 7, 0, 0, 3, 1, 6, 2, 6, 6, 9, 3, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, and 2, 1, 9. My analysis based on the skip strategy, 1, 2, 2 current, 3 current, 4 current, 5, 7, 6, 1, 7, 2, 8, 5, 9, 5, and 0, 1. As you can see on this analysis, the number 5 has the 7 skip. So the number 5 is my key number. 8, 9, and 7 are the secondary key number. This is the number that has the highest skip next to the primary key number, and that is the number 5. So now I will show you the secret strategy that has the highest winning of all. So focus on this guide. Hope you understand my explanation. So this is the secret strategy that I am talking about. So based on our primary key number, and that is the number 5, on day 1, we'll try to hit the exact match number, and that is 5, 8, 9 on day 1. Day 2 will execute 5, 8, 9 plus 1 number, that is 7, the number 7. So our combination are 5, 8, 9, 8, 9, 7, 9, 7, 5, and 7, 8, 5. This is on day 2. On day 2, you will play for exact match or for box plays. But my advice is use the box plays. So for example, on day 2, it resulted on a lose again. On day 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, and plus 1 number will additional 1 number on day 3, and that is 1, the number 1. So based on our key number on day 3, our combination are 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 9, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 9, 1, 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9, 5, 8, 9, and 7, 8, 9. As you can see on day 3, you will use again the box play. But on day 3, as you can see, you now occupied 5 numbers. The 5 number has the highest number of skips. So as you can see, our advantage on day 3. The 5 number has the highest number skips, including our key number. And we occupied 5 number. Imagine your advantage and the odds of your winning. So day 3 is the final day for our strategy. I have tested this, and I can guarantee that you will win based on your local lottery and result. Backtest everything first before you try or play. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more tips and strategy. Thank you.